Hi, you're listening to Grounded, and I'm your host, Kristen. This is your 5-minute moment to reflect, reset, and reconnect on the farm. Let's get grounded. Today's meditation is called Rainy Day Reset, and it's likely done best if you actually are having a rainy day. Sometimes the rain changes our plans. Work pauses, the field sit, the to-do list waits. And while it can feel frustrating, it can also be a gift, a moment to reset, to breathe, to come back to yourself. Wherever you are right now, inside with the raindrops collecting on the windows, or outside under a roof or in a tractor, take a moment to settle in. Feel the weight of your body. Let it drop gently into this moment. Let the rain be your rhythm. As we inhale, 2, 3, and exhale. 2, 3. Again, inhale and exhale. Let your breath fall into sync with the sound of the rain. Soft, even, unhurried. Think of the fields, soaking in every drop. Roots relaxing, soil softening. There's no rush. There's only nourishment. Let this moment be like that, a slow soak for your spirit. Now gently scan your mind. What have you been holding tightly? What plans didn't go the way you wanted this week? What expectations have worn you thin? Let the rain wash over them, not to ease them, but to soften the edges, to make room for something new. Say quietly to yourself, it's okay to pause. It's okay to begin again. Rain doesn't mean failure. It means rest. It means recalibration. It means the earth is being reminded how to breathe again. And so can you. Let's rest together right now with a deep breath. Inhale slowly through your nose. Hold for a moment and exhale all the way out. Let your shoulders drop. Let the mind quiet. Let the rest happen. A rainy day doesn't mean nothing is happening. It means something deeper is at work, but below the surface, inside the soil, inside you. Maybe the day is a turning point, a moment to rest the body, to reflect on what matters, to realign with why you do what you do. No pressure, no rush, just presence. Let's close with one final breath. Inhale. Exhale. And when you're ready, step into the rest of your day with soft feet and a little bit of a lighter heart. Thank you for being here with me. Until next time, be well and be grounded.